Hey everybody, Ryan Trout from PC Perspective here, and we are getting a quick sneak preview at a new technology demo that Qualcomm has here at CES 2017. Now, I'm sure a lot of our fellow geeks are already aware that there's a new Power Rangers movie coming out in March from Lionsgate, and the real draw for me over here to the villa was really to see the Power Rangers suit that they had out here on display. So the red Power Ranger suit from the new movie is on display. It's pretty cool looking. It's going to look even better at the nighttime when they actually get that thing lit up. But we also got the chance to try out a new demonstration on a Snapdragon 835 based QRD, which is a Qualcomm reference device, and a VR kind of mock-up headset, nothing fancy here. Basically running through a demonstration of a Power Rangers movie based game engine integrated demo that walks you through a scene, meeting Zordon, who is Bryan Cranston, by the way, getting in mechs, the Zords, and just kind of experiencing what it is. It's a short little demo. They'll have it here at CES the whole week. It's pretty neat. The important part is, the neat part is that it's all happening inside this device. There's no cables. It's not attached to a PC. You don't need any kind of external tracking devices. This is all built on that QRD. And I'm going to open this up here real fast. The QRD itself is, it's not much to look at in terms of a phone itself, but this is kind of the reference design that Qualcomm builds to validate the processor and the technology and, show it to OEMs and potential software partners. It's got some oddball connections on you wouldn't normally see, but this is all that's running that VR demo. You get the full 6 degrees of freedom, courtesy of the Snapdragon 835 processor and the Hexagon DSP and the GPU and all the heterogeneous compute stuff that goes on inside this device. So we were able to move around in physical space, both take steps forward and backwards and all that, as well as look around while in the headset with really accurate tracking with just one camera built in for that 6 degree of freedom movement and using accelerometers and stuff for the tracking. So pretty impressive demo, I guess, in that regards. Now, what's interesting here for me is that this is a good example of how you might imagine the entertainment industry kind of taking advantage of this. Once we move out of requiring tethered for high performance, high quality VR like we see today on the Rift and the Vive, we can really see or predict that this is where VR will go to. This is where it makes sense, right? You don't have to be plugged in. You don't have to be at a computer. You can do it anywhere, whether you be on a plane or at your house and all that type of stuff for a relatively low cost compared to having to buy a PC and a headset. So it wouldn't surprise me if movie theaters, movie production companies, hardware vendors, software vendors all kind of get into the mix to make experiences like this more impressive going forward. So there'll be more from Qualcomm and their Lionsgate Power Rangers partnership here at CES 2017. This is a little preview, and I will say it may be a little bit more excited for the movie coming out this March. Thanks, guys.